Welcome to this fantastic opportunity for a beautiful home on the Columbia River. Located in a quiet Oregon coast community near Astoria, this charming two-story home offers gorgeous waterfront views. This home sits at the end of the road, offering plenty of privacy. Heading inside, you'll discover a warm and welcoming interior with hardwood floors and large windows where you can watch the ever-changing riverfront views. It opens to the dining nook with access to the deck and a delightful kitchen. The main floor master suite includes its own private full bath. On the upper level, you'll find another large bedroom with vaulted ceilings. It also offers beautiful elevated views of the river. There's also a den ready for any number of uses. And another full bath. On your expansive private deck, you can relax in the hot tub while taking in the fresh sea air. Living here, you can fish for salmon or sturgeon right off your property. And you'll also find a serene garden area with a shed. You can cultivate your favorite plants in the sun-filled greenhouse. The attached garage and shop provide lots of extra space. Wake up to river views. Explore outdoor attractions at Fort Stevens or the beautiful beaches. This fabulous riverfront lifestyle is all here, waiting for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or for your own personal tour, please contact Michael Davis with Premier Property Group at 503-440-2747.